Welcome to my YouTube channel History Chapter. Today my topic is Best Ski Resort near New York City. Skiing may not wait just outside the door, but New York City resident can easily be on the slope for a day trip or a weekend getaway. A train bus combination can whisk skiers from Grand Central Station to Thunder Mountain in as little as an hour and a quarter. Longer runs and more vertical drop await just 2 hours from the city. A 3 hours radius maximum distance of mountain listed here includes a resort in Pennsylvania, New Jersey, Connecticut, Massachusetts, and New York Catskills. Some of these have arrangement with transportation companies that offer round-trip bus transport, sometime as part of a package with lift tickets and equipment rentals. The NYC Snow Bus provide transportation from Union Square to several of these mountains. The order in the ranking below is based on multiple and sometimes conflicting factors, so the order is less important than the attributes of each mountain. Some skiers will be happy to sacrifice a few hundred feet of vertical drop in order to get there sooner. For others, it is the powder that counts, or the variety of the terrain, not the travel time. Other facilities are important consideration too, such as tipping hill or the availability of night skiing. Changes for the 2020 to 2021 ski season with concern for public safety. Paramount Ski Resort have changed their procedure this year. Be sure to check the resort website for their policies before planning a trip. If traveling out of state, check the state policies as well. When you are looking for a day or weekend gateway to the slope, you will find the right mountain with our list of best ski resort near New York City. Windham Mountain, New York. In this Catskills, a 2-hour drive from the city, Windham Mountain 1600-foot vertical drop encompasses a terrain so varied that it allowed for 7 double black diamond tries for expert, along with a dozen gentle run for beginners and almost half of the 54 tries for intermediates. Boarders can ride at 6 separate terrain parks with more than 80 jumps, rail pipes and boxes, plus an inflatable airbag for practicing jumps. Nearly all the 285 skiable acres, the most of any resort in this list, is covered by snow making, which has been enhanced in the past 2 years by major investment in equipment. Lighting extend the sky day on Friday and Saturday night, or extend the day right from the start with the first tracks program that allow you to ski with a guide in the morning before the lifts open to the public. The multi-lane tubing park is open until 8 p.m. on Friday and Saturday, and the resort offers icing skating and cross-country skiing. Hunter Mountain, New York. Within the same 1600 feet of vertical as Windham, these are two highest in this list and about 2.75 hours from the city. Hunter Mountain includes 3 mountain faces that offer a tremendous variety of terrain. Its 320 skiable acres are covered by state-of-the-art snowmaking that supplements the Catskills' natural snowfall. The mountain is known for its high quality maintenance and grooming.